Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear listener, in today's session we will learn about blood, what is the definition of blood, what is the physical properties of blood, and what is the main role or main function of blood in human body. So let's start with definition. We all know that blood is a liquid which is circulating in a vascular system, and it is the types of connective tissue. So blood is always circulating in a liquid form in a healthy vascular system, and it is one of the most abundant types of connective tissue. Third and fourth point is the color of blood is red and opaque, while arterial blood is red and the venous blood is dark red. About 5 liters in adult it is present, and it is about 8% of the total body weight. The most important point is blood is always circulating in a healthy vascular system in a liquid form, but whenever it escapes from a healthy vascular system, it's become immediately or within a few seconds it's become coagulate. So nature installed a specialized mechanism in a healthy vascular system, means in a healthy endothelial cells which lining the vascular system, a specialized mechanism which prevent the coagulation of blood, which makes sure the movement of blood or the circulation of blood in a liquid form. We will talk later about the mechanism which prevent the coagulation of blood within a healthy vascular system. Let's talk about the function of blood. The main function of blood is transportation. Blood transport different types of respiratory gases. It also transport the end product of nutrition which is absorbed by the GI tract. Blood also performs the function of excretion such as creatinine, urea, etc. It also maintains acid-base balance of human body. It also maintains water balance. It also protect the body from harmful pathogen with the help of white blood cells. Blood is also responsible to transport, or blood is also the main medium which transport the hormone from endocrine gland to the target tissue. It also maintain osmotic pressure with the help of albumin protein, because albumin, we know that albumin is a plasma protein which is circulating in a blood, and albumin is responsible to maintain the body osmotic pressure. Let's talk about why the blood is always circulating in a liquid form in a healthy circulatory system. For example, this is a capillary network, and this one is basement membrane. This one is basement membrane. For example, this is a cut section of capillaries. There is endothelial cell present. also here endothelial cells must be present. For example, this is a cut section of capillaries or vascular system. This is a basement membrane and this is endothelial cells. How these cells prevent the coagulation of blood or make sure the circulation of blood in a liquid form? They having some specialized mechanism. The first mechanism, it's this healthy endothelial cells. This is a healthy endothelial cells. It secretes specialized types of chemical which is called nitric oxide. It's also secrete another special types of chemical which is called PGI2, means prostaglandin 2. This healthy endothelial cells also secrete a chemical called ATP phosphatases. Now, every healthy endothelial cell secrete nitric oxide, and every healthy endothelial cell also secrete prostacyclin 2 and ATP diphosphatases. These three types of chemical prevent. For example, this is platelets. I am drawing a platelet cells. This is a platelets. If this is a platelets having specialized receptor to stuck with healthy endothelial cell. For example, these are specialized receptor on the cell membrane of platelets, through which it can easily stuck into healthy endothelial cells. But healthy endothelial cells secrete nitric oxide, prostacyclin and ATP diphosphatase, which deactivate these types of receptor, so the platelets cannot be able to stuck with healthy endothelial. This is one mechanism why the blood is circulating in a liquid form, and as soon the blood is leaking out from the healthy vascular system, is become coagulated. Now we talk about another types of specialized mechanism which is present in every endothelial cells. Every endothelial cell, for example, this is another endothelial cells, and it express a molecule called for example, these are molecules which expressed by the healthy endothelial cells. This is called heparin sulfate. What really happen, that heparin sulfate activate antithrombin 3. For example, this is antithrombin 3. What is this? Healthy endothelial cell express a molecule called heparin sulfate and it activate antithrombin 3. So when antithrombin 3 attach with the heparin sulfate, it become activated and it will cut off clotting factor number 9 and 8 and thrombin, and we know that thrombin is a active coagulation factor. Now there is another specialized mechanism which is present in every healthy endothelial cells. For example, this is another healthy endothelial cell which express a molecule called, for example, this is a molecule which expressed by the healthy endothelial cell. We do not donate it from T because his name is thrombomodulin. What thrombomodulin doing? It activate protein C. The thrombomodulin activate protein C, and protein C when protein C activated by the when thrombomodulin is expressed in a healthy endothelial cell, what really happened that thrombomodulin modulate to thrombin. For example, this is a thrombin molecule. This is a thrombin molecule. This is what? Thrombin molecules. Every healthy endothelial cells express a protein called thrombomodulin which modulate thrombin protein, and thrombin protein, when it modulated, it activate protein C. What modulated thrombin will activate protein C, and protein C will cut off. Protein C will deactivate factor number 4 and 5 and thrombin. These are specialized mechanism which is present in every endothelial cells, which prevent the coagulation or which prevent the clotting of blood within the healthy vascular system. Let me repeat it again very briefly. For example, if a blood is circulating always in a liquid form within the vascular system, because healthy endothelial cell prevent the coagulation within the healthy vascular system. First one, every healthy endothelial cell secrete nitric oxide, prostaglandin and ATP diphosphatase, which deactivate the receptor present in platelets through which it attach as tag with healthy endothelial cell. The second mechanism we talk about it, every healthy endothelial cell express a molecule. Every healthy endothelial cell express a molecule which is called heparin sulfate, and heparin sulfate then activate antithrombin 3 factor, and antithrombin 3 factor, when it activated by heparin sulfate, it is able to deactivate or cut up factor number 8, 9 and thrombin. Another types of mechanism which prevent the coagulation or clotting of blood within the healthy vascular system, that is, it express a molecule called thrombomodulin, and thrombomodulin modulate and it alter the shape of thrombin. When the shape of the thrombin is altered, it activates protein C, and protein C, when activated by the modulated thrombin, it deactivates factor number 4, 5. So these are the specialized mechanism which is present in every healthy endothelial cells, which prevent or which make sure the circulation of blood in a liquid form. Thank you.